I've ordered my Osmo Action, hasn't arrived yet, feeling a bit left out. Wanted to get some action of my own, time to get the GSR 600 out. Harry at Freewell was good enough to send me a little clamp for my Osmo Pocket, which could never really be described as an action camera, but I think would give me some pretty good footage if I clamp it to my wheel and go for a ride. Let's see how it looks. Well, always good fun on the bike. I have to say I'll be a little bit happier if I was using the Osmo Action as opposed to the Pocket. But anyway, that should be turning up in the next few days, and I'll see what this footage looks like when I get home. Anyway, that's enough for the day. Catch you next time. Cheers.